Hey guys, naami karon sa Kite Beach. Nya, abi na mag sale, natag 15 na lang. Nya, National Day or day siya, nya wala na. So, namaliti hapon mi, tag 35. This is from Burger Stand. So, let's try it. It's their best seller chicken burger, Yang Yum Chicken. This is not spicy because we don't like spice in this house. So, let's try it out. Ay, pero gorgeous kayo siya, guys. It's so gorgeous. Okay. Ang sama ni, wala nilagi half.
Wala.
They should have made it half. Uy, the chicken is a dinosaur, guys. Like, lagpas siya sa bread. Ganito ang...
Hindi sa pikas ka kanay ko ano ay.
Chicken. Tasty.
Dito ato bang.
Uy, lumi. Kausa. Ame. Like, pero for, in fairness, sulit siya kay usual burgers nga in ani sa major food retails sa mall around 50, diba? This one is only 35. So sulit siya in a sense. We didn't get fries or drinks, just plain burger. Priced at 35 dirhams. So far the meat is yummy. And I can tell that the bread is soft and tender and not dry, which is good sa burger criteria nako. So, mo to guys. Tama ng yaw-yaw mga unsa mi. Bye!